they said about me in high school. Okay, dude.
Brown hitting just 143 on this season. He's 0 for 4 on this road trip for the A's. Henderson's 0-1. That's hit out to center and well. Freeling going back onto the warning track. He's got a play. Makes the catch 2 steps in front of the wall.
Damn straight.
And the inning is...
At the place where I gotta drop these things off. So once I drop them off, I could literally do that from like the parking lot of the Quick Trip right next door. I don't care. That's fine. Okay. And yeah, I can at least take a look and see and go from there.
My vocabulary isn't good enough to be.
Is recording.
Oh, I definitely ran that.
You're right.
Am I about to get pulled over for stopping here?
On the board here in the 5th, just the second hit for the Athletics in this game, and now here's Luis Urias.
Okay.
With 1 out.
If you're willing to hop on a Zoom call for a couple of minutes just to see if there's anything obvious that I'm missing, when you get home, I would take that.
So but, I can do it right when I'm literally about to be at the place where no.
I can go the distance.
That whatever link they're gonna send.
Well, the reason I had WebEx Meet was because I had used it for a different interview.
Oh.
And like it had a video camera on it. Like I think I still have them downloaded. But like
But thank you.
7 in the series. Left-handed hitter facing the 23-year-old Henderson series. Now take inside corner. Perfectly placed fastball, 0-2. The last time that he pitched in any game.
I was unaware.
Did you know? Yes.
I know all.
Converging with
There
him.
we go.
And makes the catch for
Got an
the first
extra
down.
spin.
One away for Caleb Durbin.
Caleb Durbin.
It's been for Durbin. A couple of hits.
So, I mean, I had to leave a whole part of my life behind.
Kid. And
Glad
Dad,
you have a helmet on, but
Dad,
don't test it out, please.
Dad, figure your kid out. That's definitely a way and a place to stop.
No, I died.
Not even like I want to go that quick, but just going under the speed limit.
They're sassy little things. You can teach them tricks.
Oh wait, there's a second. Shit. That's fine. There's a second left turn thing here. I didn't realize.